Good morning class. This is our second video of chapter 5 exponent. In first video we have done till question number 7 first part. Now I am going to do question number 7 fifth part, in which we have to simplify and express our answer as a rational number. Now minus 3 by 4 is having exponent 3. We will solve first the simple bracket. Minus 3 by 4 exponent having 3. Minus 3 multiplying minus 3 multiplying minus 3 multiplying thrice, same as denominator 4 into 4 into 4, minus is minus 5 by 2 multiplying thrice, again minus 5 and minus 5 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. Now multiplying 4 square. 4 square is 16. This is curl bracket is over. Now, okay class, curl bracket is over. Now minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. 9 3 is again 27. Now it is minus 27. Negative number multiplying odd number of times will be negative. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja is 64, minus 5 into 5 25, 25 5 jar is 125. Again negative number multiplying thrice, it will be minus 1 2 5 divided by 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. Curl bracket is over and multiply by 16. Now again is minus 27 by 64 minus minus plus 125 by 8. Getting class? I will take it in simple bracket only, multiplying by 16. Take its LCM as 64 is minus 27, 8, 64 divided by 8 is 8, 125 8 jar is 1000. Getting? Multiplying by 16. Now 1000 minus 27, 1000 minus 27, it's 973. Multiplying 16 divided by 64, 16 1 jar and 16 4 jar is equal to 973 by 4, which is our answer. Now in question number 8, again simplify and express your answer as a rational number. Like in first part, it's 4 by 9 exponent 6 multiplying 4 by 9 exponent is minus 4. Now class, you can remind your identity a km into a kn is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Using identity, or you can say law of exponent, a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Here your base is 4 by 9 plus 6 and minus 4. Base exponent will add 6 plus minus 4 is equal to 4 by 9 raised to power 6, yes, plus minus 6 minus 4 is equal to 4 by 9 raised to power 2. Now you are aware 4 multiplying twice, again 9 is also multiplying twice. You will get your answer as 4 4 jar 16 and 9 9 jar 81. Okay class. Now in question number 9, express each of the following as a rational number. Now I have taken second part. Minus 2 raised to power minus 5. Whatever the base is, taking it as a raised to power minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to power n. Getting? Is minus n becomes n by taking its reciprocal. It's 1 by a ki n. Now your a is minus 2. Minus 2 multiplying 5 times. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. You are aware? I have written it because of minus sign only. Yes. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. Now negative number multiplying odd times, it will be product is negative. You know, in standard form we will take the minus sign with the numerator, or you can do this step multiplying and divide by minus 1. You will get minus 1 by 32. This is your answer. Yes class, which identity we have used in question number 9? Second part, a raised to power minus n is equal to 1 by a की exponent n. Now I have taken one more part. There are so many parts. There are total 10 parts of 9th question. I am doing the parts which I think you can get difficulty, and still if there is any doubt you can ask your doubt on your WhatsApp group also. 4 by 3 raised to power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 1, then after curl bracket there is an exponent of minus 1. First we will solve the simple brackets, like 4 by 3 curl bracket is as it is, 4 by 3 exponent minus 1, that is 3 by 4, taking its reciprocal, a की minus 1 is equal to 1 by a, minus again 1 by 4 inverse is 4 by 1. Getting? Now this curl bracket can be taken as simple one, exponent is minus 1. So first we will solve 4 and 1 having LCM as 4 is 3, minus 1 4 jar, 4 4 jar is 16, exponent is minus 1. 3 minus 16 is minus 13 divided by 4 having exponent minus 1. Now having exponent minus 1 means 13 by 4 becomes 4 by 13. If we are going to take its reciprocal, it's 4 by 13. Which identity we have used here? A raised to power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. Whatever the identity you are going to use, you have to write down also. Getting? Now in question number 10, we have to simplify. Minus 1 by 4 having exponent 2, then curl bracket having exponent minus 2, then big bracket having exponent minus 1. We will solve this question step by step. First of all, take your big bracket and curl bracket as it is. Minus 1 by 4 exponent 2. Getting class? You can do this sum in two ways. Like first you will open this, then this, then this, or you can multiply all these together, because you are having one identity, a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. You can use this identity also. Both are right. This identity, right now we are going to use this one. This one is the easiest. So there is no need to put these brackets. Just take minus 1 by 4 exponent 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 1. Getting a की m की n is equal to a की m. It's true for all. First you will multiply both of these, then multiply this. You can follow this also, like first 2 into minus 2, then take curl bracket here, and then we will multiply by this in the next step, like it is having curl bracket minus 1 by 4 having exponent 2 to jar minus 4 is positive into negative, negative, then you are having exponent minus 1. Again using this identity you will get minus 1 by 4 having exponent minus 4 into minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 4 into 1 is 4 having exponent 4, then it's minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and minus 1 by 4 4 4 and 4, because there are two signs, so put a bracket also. Then we will get 1 by 4 4 jar 16, 16 4 jar is 64, and 64 4 jar is equal to 256. You will get your answer as 1 by 256, because negative number multiplying even times will answer as positive number. Minus into minus plus, into minus negative, then into again minus, you will get it as positive answer. Okay class, now we are going to do our next part of question number 10. One more part. It's part 3. Minus 3 by 2 having exponent 3 and again minus 3 by 2 having exponent 6. We have to divide both of these. You can use here AKM divided by AKN where exponent of denominator, that is n, is greater than m. 6 is greater than 3. So it will be equal to 1 by a raised to power n minus m. If m is greater, then it is a raised to power m minus n. But right now n is greater, so we'll take it as 1 by a raised to power n minus m. Now 1 by minus 3 by 2 exponent 6 minus 3. You can write it as 1 by minus 3 by 2 having exponent 6 minus 3 is 3. It's 1 by. So we will take its reciprocal. Getting? Using the identity in its inverse form. 1 by AKN is equal to a की exponent minus n. Just 1 by a की n is equal to a की minus n, like this. Conversely, 1 by a की n is equal to a की minus n. A की exponent minus n. Now minus 3 by 2, its exponent minus 3 can be taken as minus 2 by 3 exponent 3. A की minus n is equal to 1 by a की n, again conversely. Getting? You can follow after this step directly. If you want, you can follow this. It's minus 3 by 2, it becomes 2 by 3 taking a numerator. Then you will get minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 is minus 8 by 27. Negative number multiplying odd times will be answer as negative number. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27. Minus 8 by 27 is your answer. Class, have a look again. You can follow this step. AKM by AKN is equal to AKM minus n directly also. After this we can follow this step directly also. AKM by AKN is AKM minus n, then 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Getting? Both are right. If you follow the identity like this in the denominator, it is right. If you follow the identity like this, AKM by AKN is equal to a ki raised to power m minus n. That is 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. Still it is right. Don't get confused in this question. Do it carefully in both the ways. If still there is any doubt, you can ask me. I'll explain you in the WhatsApp group, or I can explain this in the next video also. Class, we have done till question number 10. From 11 onwards, we will do in the next video. Have a look for your homework. You have to do question number 7 to 10 remaining parts. Okay class, question number 7, first part we have done in the previous video. Second part onwards you have to do today.